morning, students. Today we will start the next topic. It is ordered pairs. Ordered pairs. You know the word pair. Pair means two together. Okay, two values together. Here, in mathematics, how will you represent? What is that ordered pair? Now we will consider two sets A and B. A and B are the two sets. Then an element A belongs to A together with an element B belongs to B forms an ordered pair. So here A belongs to A, B belongs to B, set B together forms an ordered pair. The ordered pair. Why you call it as ordered pair? Because there is an order. What is that order? Order in the sense first element. Which is the first element? Which is the second element? Very important here. When I say ordered pair, it is important to recognize that in this case A is the first element, B is the second element. A is the first element, B is the second element. So there is an order. Now notice that very important. A comma B need not be equal to B comma A. A comma B need not be equal to B comma A generally. Okay? If A comma B equal to B comma A, then A should be equal to B. And A comma B equal to B comma A, it will happen only if and only if A equal to B. Same elements. Repeated. A equal to B. So that is why, because ordering is important. If I write AB, A is the first element, B is the second element. Or if I write BA, B comma A, it is different. B comma A means what? B comma A means B is the first element, A is the second element. Ordering is very important. That's why I call it as ordered pair. Pair means two. Here in the sense, two elements. Pair of elements. Group of elements. I mean two here. That means it is very important. The order is important. Like say for example, first price, second price. If you interchange, it's a problem, no? So first price, that person got first price. The other person has got the second price. So first price, second price. That is different from second price, first price. Because we are changing the order. Like that. So order is important here. So A comma B equal to B comma A if and only A equal to B. That is equality of equal values. Two ordered pairs are equal. I will give further some example here like this. A comma B equal to C comma D. When it is possible in the ordered pair, if and only if A equal to C, B equal to D. So A comma B equal to C comma D is possible if and only if A equal to C. First element should tally. First element of this ordered pair should tally the first element of the second one. Similarly, B should be equal to D. So those two elements also should tally. Then only, that is, if and only if A equal to C, B equal to D, that is the case, you can say A comma B equal to C comma D. Okay, A comma B equal to C comma D. You can say if and only if A equal to C, B equal to D. Important here. Next topic is Cartesian product or cross product. Next topic is Cartesian product. Cartesian or cross product. Cartesian product or cross product. What is this? So, if A and B are two non-empty sets, both are non-empty sets, A cross B, which is called as Cartesian product or cross product of AB. This is referred as cross product or Cartesian product of A cross B, where A and B are non-empty sets. They need not be, they should not be non-empty. A cross B equal to, it is like this defined, set of all ordered pairs A comma B such that A belongs to the set A, B belongs to the set B. So what is A cross B? A cross B equal to set of all ordered pair AB such that A belongs to the first set, that is A, B belongs to the second set, namely B. So A cross B equal to A comma B, ordered pair A comma B. These are elements, A and B are elements. These two are sets. A and B capital letter sets. These are elements. A comma B such that A belongs to A, B belongs to B. I will explain the example. I will give you an example. Simple example we will consider. Let A equal to say 1, 2. 1, 2. B equal to 3, 4. B equal to 3, 4. So what is A cross B? Let us calculate A cross B. What is A cross B? Next, A cross B is like this. So what is A cross B by definition? A cross B is set of all ordered pair AB such that A belongs to A, B belongs to A. So let us write it. A cross B is, start with 1. First, element should belongs to A only, because A cross B I am writing. So 1, comma 3. Second element from B only. First element from A only. Second element from B only. So 1, 3 is one of the element. Any other element? Yes. What is the other element? 1, 4. So 1 is from the first set A, 4 is from the second set B. Next, what is the next element? Any other elements? Yes. So 2 is from the first set, 3 from the second set. So 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3 is the next ordered pair. What is the next ordered pair? Next ordered pair is 2 comma 4. 2 from the first set, 4 from the second set. This is 2 comma 4. So this is A cross B. Given A equal to 1, 2, B equal to 3, 4. So what is A cross B? Take one element from the first set, another element, second element from the second set, like this. So start with 1, 1, 3, 1, 4. Next, start with 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, like this. Let us write B cross A now. What is B cross A now? What is this B cross A? B cross A means start first element as 3, then 3 or 4. Okay, 3 or 4. So what are the elements? Elements are 3, 1, 3 comma 1, first one, next 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 2, next one, start with 4, 4 comma 1, next 4 with 2, 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2. So this is B cross A. Observe here. A cross B not equal to B cross A. They are not equal. A cross B not equal to B cross A. Simple reason. What is the simple reason? 1, 3. If I take one example. 1, 3. Is it 1, 3 here present? In A cross B 1, 3 is there. In B cross A 1, 3 is there? No. 3 cross 1 is there. But 3 cross 1 is not same as 1 cross 3. Always observe. Because ordering first element which one? That is important. Second element which one? Important. So 1, 3 is not equal to 3, 1. Or 2, 3 is not equal to 3, 2. So here you can certainly say that A cross B is not equal to B cross A. A cross B is not equal to B cross A. So now you have calculated, you come to know now. In this example, you have calculated A cross B, B cross A. Number of elements may be anything. I have just given a simple example as 2 cross 2. You can have 2 cross 3. 3 cross 2. Like that you can have. Okay, so if you are having m elements here, n elements here, how many elements will be there in m cross n? It is m into n. If A has n elements, B has n elements, then A cross B will have m into n elements. M into n elements. Okay. B cross A will have n into m, that is same as m into n. So number of elements will be same, but they are not equal. In the sense, as far as sets are concerned, as far as the product, Cartesian product or cross product is concerned, those two sets are different. Those two sets are entirely different. Okay. And one more point I will tell you: A cross B equal to pi. A cross B equal to null set if and only if either A equal to pi or B equal to pi. If A equal to null set or B equal to null set. If any one of them is null set, then A cross B equal to pi. So A cross B equal to pi if and only either two ways. A equal to pi or B equal to pi. What is the meaning? If A cross B equal to pi, then A equal to pi or B equal to pi. On the other hand, if A equal to pi or B equal to pi, then A cross B equal to null set pi. We will look at some more examples. You see, simple ones. If A equal to ABCD, if A equal to ABCD, so elements are there. A equal to A, problem. If A equal to ABCD, set ABCD, ABCD. B equal to BDFG, B equal to BDFG, B equal to BDFG. Next step. C equal to CDEF, C equal to CDEF, C equal to CDEF. C equal to CDEF. U equal to ABCDEFGH. U equal to U universal set ABCDEFGH. ABCDEFGH. Find. We'll find one by one. Question and answer episode. Find. First one. First one. A into B dash. The complement. A cross into A cross B dash. So let me read the question. A equal to ABCD, B equal to BDFG, C equal to CD. EF, U equal to ABCDEFGH. What is A cross B dash? Simple one. What is A? A is given ABCD. That is, answer is give direct answer. Answer here itself. A cross B dash equal to ABCD. A is ABCD. What is B dash? B dash means what? Now what is B dash? Actually B dash is what? Okay, I will give here only. What is B dash? B is this much. What is B dash? B dash I will write here in the corner here. B dash means actually B dash means u minus b. U minus b. What is this? So subtract. A B C D E F G H. Difference. A B C D E F G H. So remaining element you write u minus b. What is that? So from u remove b. So A is there. Don't remove. B you remove. C you should have. D remove. E you should have. F you should remove. Next, G you should remove. H should be there. Correct? Check it. So B dash equal to U minus B. What is U? U is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. There. U. What is B? B, D, F, G. These elements remove from U to get B dash. So what is B dash? A you should include. B don't include. Remove. Then C you should include. D you remove. I removed from here. E should be there. Because it's not here. F you should remove. G you should remove. H you should be there. So what is this? So this is the cross product you should get. So this you can complete by simple one by writing all the ordered pairs. Now how to write? How to write? So writing is like this. Start from the first one. First one. So A, start with A and finish everything. A, next what? AC. Next AE. Next AH. Like this. First complete with A. We won't miss any element. So AH. Next what? Next is BA. Next BC, BE, BH. BC, BE, BH. So how many elements will be there? 16 elements you have to write. That's all. 16 elements. Next CA, CC. So CA, CC. Next. What is the next element? CE, CH. CE, CH. Next, what is the next one? Last one. A, B, C, D is there. So DA, DC, DE, DH. DA, DC, DE, DH. This is how we can write product. So A cross B dash equal to like this. A is known, B dash is nothing but U minus B. So that I have written. Then next cross product. So A into A, A comma A, ordered pair. A comma C, A comma E, A comma H. Next one, start with B. BA, BC, BE, BH. Next, start with C, CA, CC, CE, CH. Next, start with the D, DA, DC, DE, DH. Right? See how to write. Okay, next one, for example, A minus, I will not give all, I will give some examples here. Okay, A into B cross A, second one, A into B, sorry, A intersection B cross A intersection B, second one, A intersection B cross A. So what is A intersection B cross A? So this is equal, I will just write like this. Equal to A intersection B is what? What are the common elements? Common elements are B and D. Correct? A intersection B. What are the common elements? B and D. So BD, B comma D into A cross A, not into cross A. Cartesian product or cross product. Into A means A B C D. Take it. Okay. So here how many elements will be there? 2 into 4, 8 elements will be there. So there will be 8 elements. See first A intersection B. Sets intersection will have common elements. B and D here, B is here, B is here, D is here, D is here. Other elements are not common. So B, D into A, B, C, D. You know how to calculate. What is the product? It is easy. So what is the product? Start with B. So BA, BB, next BC, BD, BC, BD. Next, start with what? Start with D, second element, D. So DA, DB, like this, DA, DB, DC, DD, DC, DD. This is how it is. Same way, next problem. Like this it will go on. A minus B cross B dash. A minus B. Next one. A minus B cross product. A minus B. B dash. B dash. Final answer you have to complete. I will just give you the method only. What is A minus B? Calculate. What is A minus B? A minus B. So common element remove from A. So what are the common elements? B and D are common. So what is A minus B? AC. A comma C cross B dash. B dash means what? B dash means remove this element. What are those removing after this? Removing this. B dash already I have shown you. U minus B. Okay, B dash means U minus B. So A minus B means remove the common elements B, D. B, D are common here. So AC. Next B dash. B dash are B complement. B complement means U minus B. That is what? U minus B is like this. U minus B. So only write elements. Okay, we should not be B. So A is there. B you remove. C include. Then D you don't. E you have to include. F and D don't include. H you have to include. This is already written earlier. So A, C, E, H, B, D, F, G remove. You know the multiplication. Already seen. I will not repeat it. Just go through and do the complete the work. I mean, you have to complete the work. Then proceed. Again, there will be 8 elements here. There will be 8 elements here. I'm just specifying the method. Next one. A union B whole dash cross B. A union B whole dash cross B, cross product B, cross B. A union B whole dash cross B. Again, what is A union B whole dash? What is A union B? First, A union B equal to now. A union B means what? A B C D union B D F G. So what is that? This is nothing but I will directly write A B C D F G. It is simple. A is this much, B is this much. What is A and B? So all the elements from A and B, but repetition not written. Repetition need not be written. So A, B, C, D all elements are there. B, D is already written. Remaining F, G. So A union B whole dash. What is A union B whole dash? A union B whole dash means U minus A union B. So it is equal to U is what? U is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So remove these elements A union B. So what is remaining? Remaining is A, B, C, D are removed. So E is remaining and H is remaining. Correct? Check it. E and H are remaining. I have removed A, B, C, D, F, G from U. U is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So I have removed A, B, C, D, F, G. So remaining is E and H. This is A union B whole dash. So therefore, last statement A union B whole dash cross B equal to E comma H cross product. What is the cross product with B? B D F G. B D F G. This you can complete. You have completed. So again it will contain 8 elements. It will contain 8 ordered pairs. 8 elements in the sense each element is an ordered pair. In cross product or Cartesian product, each element is an ordered pair. Remember, each element is an ordered pair. So you can multiply like this. So EH, BD, FG. Multiply. You know how to multiply. Do it. It's easy. So this is about Cartesian product or cross product. Go through these examples. We'll understand how it is. We'll see some more examples in the next session. Before this, you know A cross B. You can have A cross A also. A cross A means elements from the set A only. Both are from the set A only. So it is also written as A square. Okay. You can have A cross B cross C. A cross B you have. You can have A cross B cross C. So you can have cross product of 3 sets. How it is? This is like this. This is nothing but set of all ordered pairs A, B, C such that A belongs to A belongs to the first set, B belongs to the second set, C belongs to the third set. Like this. So you can have A cross B cross C. That is triple A, B, C. So A belongs to A, B belongs to B, C belongs to C. A cross A means A square. A cross A means A square. Okay. So again go through this all this. Try to understand. You will get. It's not at all difficult. So ordered pair. Remember there is an ordering. First element, second element. One element is from one set. I mean the first set, first element. Second set, second element. Like A, B. A comma B means small a comma B means A belongs to first set A, B belongs to second set B, like that. B comma A means what? That is BA is the first element of whichever set. A is the second element. Like that. I mean, you have to consider that way. A cross B need not be equal to B cross A. I have already given an example. You have seen also. Okay. Thank you.